In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete members in Slack. First, a quick note on terminology. Slack doesn't truly delete users. Instead, it deactivates their accounts. Deactivation removes access immediately while preserving their messages and files, which helps keep conversations and records intact for your team. To get started, head to your web browser and go to your favorite search engine. Type Slack and open the official Slack website. If you prefer the desktop app, that works too. The steps are the same. Sign into the correct workspace using an account with the right permissions. You'll need to be an administrator or, in some cases, a workspace owner to deactivate members. Once you're in Slack, look to the top left corner and click your workspace name. This opens a menu with settings and options specifically for your organization. From there, select Tools and Settings to reveal the administrative controls available to you. Next, choose Admin Tools. This is where Slack groups all of the management features that affect people, channels, and security. In the Admin Tools area, click Manage Members. You'll see a list of everyone in your workspace, including full members and, depending on your plan, any guest accounts. Find the person you want to remove from the workspace. You can scroll or use the search bar to locate them quickly, especially in larger organizations. When you've found the right member, look for the three dots, or More Actions, next to their name. Click those three dots, then choose Deactivate Account. This action immediately signs the person out and revokes their access across desktop and mobile. Slack will ask you to confirm so you don't remove the wrong person by mistake. Review the name carefully, and then click Deactivate to confirm. After deactivation, the member can no longer log in, but their past messages remain visible based on your workspace's retention settings. If you ever need to restore access, for example, if someone returns to the team, an admin can reactivate the account later from the same member's page. A few tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're operating in the correct workspace if your company uses more than one. If the person is a guest, you'll still deactivate them from this same members list. And if you don't see these options, check your role, because only admins and owners can perform this action. That's it. You've learned the exact path to deactivate, or effectively delete, a member from Slack.